If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time we drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
Before starting off with the eyeshadow application, I prefer using the eye base. The eye base helps to conceal my eyelids and even helps to hold the eyeshadow for a longer time. I'm using a fluffy brush as this helps me to blend better and it doesn't even crease into my lines or give me any brush strokes as well. I'm patting it instead of swiping it. I'll be using an orange brown shade to define my crease. Use a warm shade to define your crease as this will not overpower the other eyeshadows that you'll be using to create a beautiful eye look. To add depth to the eye, I'm going to use a dark brown eyeshadow on the outer corner. I'm using a fluffy blending brush just to diffuse the harsh line. You should always blend in small, gentle circular motions. So let's play with some glitter. To start off with, I'm going to use a light concealer shade from the inner corner to the mid of my eyelid as it works as a great glitter enhancer. To make my glitter pop, I'm adding a thin layer of this metallic rose gold eyeshadow over my concealer. I'm blending the two lines to get a seamless finish. Spray some mist on your brush to avoid glitter fallouts. I'm going to grab a steel green pencil and run it through my lower lashes and my waterline. I'm smudging it with the pencil brush. Now I'm going to set it up with the green eyeshadow. To make my lashes look fuller, I'm going to use a black kajal pencil to tightline my eyes. I'll curl my lashes now and then go in with the full volume mascara to add some drama. Now I'll be using some liquid foundation and going all over my face with it. I have oily skin. I set my foundation with some powder. I'm adding a little bit blush on the apples of my cheek. I'll be filling in my lips with a nude lipstick because I want the focus to be on the eyes and not the lips. So there you go. This is a look that I really like. It works great for Indian skin tones and it's not that complicated. Thanks for watching. I'm Sakina and until next time, stay tuned, stay glamorous.